Alright guys, so hi. This is in response to a video created by this dude who was giving tips on how to grow long hair. So the first and most important tip while growing long hair. So by the way, like I grew my hair long a year back. I just cut recently because I had to attend a job interview. So alright. So anyways, so the first and most important tip while growing long hair is this: that you always trim the last 2 to 3 millimeters of your hair every 2 to 3 months. And the reason you do this is because the shaft of the hair tends to develop split ends, and if you don't cut these split ends off, what happens is that these split ends travel all along the shaft of the hair, and the entire shaft gets ruined. So the only way you can stop this is if you keep trimming your hair every 2-3 months. This ensures that only healthy hair grows. So that's about cutting your hair for split ends. Um, Another thing is shampoos and conditioners. Um, askmen.com and there's another website called theartofmanliness.com. So these two websites have a lot of resources for guys who are looking for products about everything, not only your hair but your face, your skin, your body, and like just about everything that a guy needs. So and the great stuff is like they've got different products for like oily hair, and then there's another product for normal hair. So they've basically categorized products according to the type of hair that you have. So they've got products for oily hair, for normal hair, for dry hair, and so on and so forth. The important thing for you guys to remember is that don't buy stuff that has a lot of chemicals in it. Try buying stuff that has natural ingredients in it, and use natural stuff as much as possible. um, Chemicals aren't really good in the long run, and make sure you read every ingredient that's in the shampoos and conditioners that you buy. And if you're suspicious about any of those ingredients, if you happen to read that this stuff is toxic or something, make sure you check it on the internet, or find out from someone who does know about stuff like that, to make sure that there's nothing harmful in your shampoo and conditioner, and that at the end of the day you don't want to damage your hair, and you might end up doing more harm than good. Another great tip while growing long hair is always wash your hair with cold water. uh, the colder the water, the better. There's some scientific reason behind it. I won't go into it right now. I mean, you can research about it on Google. But the thing is, you should never wash your hair with hot or warm water. It's bad for your hair in some way. So always use cold water to wash your hair. Apart from that, don't shampoo your hair too often as well, because it dries the hair completely. So shampoo maybe once or twice a week. Condition your hair a lot more often, and try to keep your hair protected from dust, a lot of heat, and anything that might damage your hair. So yeah, those are about like the basic tips while growing long hair. Alright, bye.